असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय.
Now exercise 2.2 problem number 9. Look at the question. The length of a rectangular field is 8 meters less than twice its breadth. Okay, if the perimeter of the rectangular field is 56 meters, find its length and breadth. So we have to find length and breadth of the rectangular field, and what is the given information? The length is 8 meters less than twice its breadth. Okay, now what we have to consider x here. So look at solution here. So given rectangular field, consider it as a rectangular field. So make it neat. Okay, right. Consider breadth of the field is x. If the breadth is x, what is the length becomes? Length is 8 meters less than twice its breadth. So what is the twice of the breadth? Twice of the breadth equals to 2x. So length is lesser than twice its breadth, 8 meters. Okay, 2x minus 8 is the length of the breadth. Okay, right. Now, so consider it is x meters, and here it is 2x minus 8 meters. Okay, right. So given information, what is that? Perimeter of the rectangular field. So given perimeter, how much? 56 meters. Okay, so already we have the formula of perimeter of the rectangular. What is that? 2l plus b. Okay, that is equals to 56 meters. Okay, right. So we have L equals to L equals to 2x minus 8, b equals to x. So substitute the L and b values in this equation. We get the L and b values. So what is the L? 2x minus 8 plus b value x, it is equals to 56. Okay, I'm writing here. What it becomes more? 2 into 2x minus 8 plus x is equals to 56. So bring this to here. 2x, it means 2x minus plus x, it becomes 3x minus 8 is equals to 56 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are. So 3x minus 8 equals to 28. So 3x is equals to 28 plus 8. So 8 transpose to RHS side becomes plus 28 plus 8, it is 36. So 3x is equals to 36, x is equals to 36 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So x equals to 12 meters. Okay, so what is that x? Breadth we got 12 meters. Okay, so we got breadth as 12 meters. Now we have to find the length. So already we have considered is x, and this one 2x minus 8. So now we got it is 12 meters. Okay, so I am measuring this. So what is the length now? 2x minus 8, x value 12 minus 8, 24 minus 8, it is 16 meters. Okay, so length is 16 meters we got. Okay, right. This is about problem number 9. Now exercise 2.2 problem number 10. Look at the question. Two equal sides of a triangle are each 5 meters less than twice the third side. If the perimeter of the triangle is 55 meters, find the length of its sides. So here we have to find the sides of a triangle with the given information. What is the given information? Two sides are equal, okay, and the two sides are 5 meters less than twice the third side. Okay, here we have to consider third side as x, then we get the remaining things. Okay, right, solution. So given about triangle, okay. So consider, so I'm making consider these two sides are equal. Okay, this is a third side, okay, right. So give a name A, B, C, right. So let the third side of triangle ABC is x meters, say, okay, x meters, right. So what are the remaining two sides? The remaining two sides are equal, that is, what is the length of the two sides? So they are 5 meters lesser than twice the third side. So what is the twice the third side? Twice the third side equals to 2x, okay. So 5 meters lesser than, okay. So 2x minus 5 meters, okay. The remaining two sides are of length 2x minus 5 centimeters. It means this is 2x minus 5 meters and this is also 2x minus 5 meters. This one is x, okay, right. So right. So what is the given information? Perimeter of the triangle given 55 meters. So perimeter of the triangle is 55 meters, okay, right. So that is, so what is the perimeter actually? AB plus AC plus BC, AB plus AC plus BC, sum of three sides length is called perimeter, isn't it? That is given 55 meters, okay. So what is the AB length? So this is nothing but AB length, okay. 2x minus 5 meters is the AB length, plus AC length is also 2x minus 5. Then what is the BC? X is given as 55, okay, right. I am going to simplify that, so I am erasing this. So what is the given? 2x minus 5, 2x minus 5 plus x is equals to 55, okay, right. So write 2x plus x minus 5 is equals to 55. This becomes 5x minus 10 is equals to 55. So 5x is equals to 55 plus 10. This 10 transposed to RHS side becomes plus. So 5x is equals to 65. X is equals to 65 by 5. So 5 ones are 6. Sorry, 5 ones are 5. 1 is remaining. 5 threes are. So x is equals to 13 meters we got here. Okay. So this is the third side, we got 13 meters. Now we have to find the first and second sides. Okay. So I am going to erase this, lack of space. Right. So what is the second side? So first side, or we can simply write remaining two sides. Remaining two sides. So both are equal. That is why 2x minus 5. So what is the x value? 2 into 13 minus 5, 26 minus 5, 21 meters. So remaining two sides are of 21 meters. Okay. Now what are the sides of triangle? The three sides of triangle is equals to 13 meters, 21 meters and 21 meters. Okay. This is the question number 10. Now exercise 2.2 problem number 11. Look at the question. Two complementary angles differ by 12 degrees. Find the angles. So here we have to find the two complementary angles. Okay, right. So what is meant by complementary angles actually? If the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then we call them complementary angles. Okay. So suppose X is an angle, okay, 90 minus X is the complementary angle for X. Okay, so X is an angle, so this 90 minus X is the complementary angle for this X. So here X is the complementary angle for 90 minus X and 90 minus X is the complementary angle for this X. Okay, both are complementary to each other. Okay, right. So suppose if I sum again X plus 90 minus X, we get again 90 degrees. That is why we call them complementary angles. Okay, so we got here 90 degrees. Sum of these two angles we got 90 degrees. Okay, that is why we are calling them complementary to each other. Okay, so this is the complementary angles definition, right? So complementary angles differ by 12 degrees. Find the angles. Suppose let one angle is X. So what is the complementary angle? Complementary angle of X is 90 minus X. Just now we have seen about this X and 90 minus X. Okay, right. So X and 90 minus X are complementary to each other. So given what is the condition? Two complementary angles are differ by 12 degrees. Okay, so the two complementary angles differ by 12 degrees, isn't it? Right. So with the statement of this, we can write X minus 90 minus X. These are two complementary angles. X minus 90 minus X is equals to 12 degrees. The difference of these two is equal to 12 degrees, isn't it? Right. So this is the linear equation in one variable we have formed here. We are going to simplify this now. So X minus 90 degrees minus into minus plus X is equals to 12 degrees. So it becomes 2X minus 90 degrees is equals to 12 degrees. So 2X is equals to 12 degrees plus 90 degrees. So 2X is equals to, it becomes 102. So X is equals to 102 by 2, 2 ones are 251s are. Now X is equals to 51 degrees. So one of the complementary angle is 51 degrees. So remaining second angle 90 minus X. So 90 minus 51 degrees, this is nothing, degrees is equals to 39 degrees. Now 39 degrees comma 51 degrees are the two complementary angles, which is our required answer here. Okay, right, these two are the complementary angles.